These are the Sanyun SW208 speakers. Now I picked these up hoping they could be some amazing budget speakers to add to my desk setup. Now I want to share my thoughts with you guys. Let's check out what's inside the box first of all. So inside this little box of goodies is your manual, a USB to micro cable for your PC, an aux cable for any other audio devices, and your power cable. This is the back of the unit with the connection to the left speaker, which is your satellite, and you can also connect to this using Bluetooth as well. On the right is your volume, bass and treble adjustments. So how do they sound? Let's have a quick listen. Now I think these sound great for the price given they're around £55 on sale and perfect for what I needed. I still need to adjust the EQ a little bit, but I don't want something that was too heavy with kids in the house. This is only recording from my phone as well, so they do sound better in person. Let me know what you think. If you've got this far, hit the like button and subscribe and comment on what else you'd like to see. Have a good one. Bye.